Hi! In today's video, we'd like to demonstrate how you can bring power of ChatGPT into your Microsoft Word using AI Perfect Assistant. The first case would be summarizing a Word document to get a quick catch-up of a long-read text. Open the AI chat and ask it to summarize your doc. That's it. You get a quick summary of a longish text in a couple clicks right in your Microsoft Word. Our second example would be very useful for international teams that should run paperwork in several languages. It's translating internal documents for international teams. Choose the intended language, highlight the part you need to translate, and hit Generate with AI. You immediately get variants of grammatically and semantically correct translation that can be inserted into a Word document. Next case we'd like to demonstrate would be paraphrasing and rewriting existing content. Highlight the content you need. Choose Paraphrase or Improve Draft tool. Hit Generate with AI. That's it. You get several variants of an improved text write in seconds. Drafting professional document from bullet points is our last case for today, but it's not the least. Highlight the text you need to restructure. Choose Write a Paragraph tool. Hit Generate with AI. Now you get 3 content options that can be inserted directly into your file. Well, that was it for today. Hope the video was helpful. If you also want to bring ChatGPT functionalities and efficiency right into your Microsoft Word docs, try AI Perfect Assistant today.